respected audience, the Manipur Kalakar Samiti, Manipur, is going to present you a short street play or Nukkad Natak on Pancham Veda as a part of the Bharat Rang Mahotsav, which is also a part of the Vishwa Jan Rang. So kindly enjoy the short street play presented by the Manipur Kalakar Samiti on Pancham Veda.
धनता 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 धन धान धान भात पते की करने आए धान लगाकर सुन लो जी धान लगाकर सुन लो भैया धान लगाकर सुन लो जी काका काकी चाचा चाची नाना नानी मामा मामी काका काकी चाचा चाची नाना नानी मामा मामी सुनो सुनो सब ध्यान लगाकर सुनो सुनो सब ध्यान लगाकर
The previous color is over. Now let us practice what we have learned. This is a new experiment and there should not be any mistake in it.
Please accept our greetings, Munivar.
Many sages. For what purpose did they come?
Oh Munivar, ever since you have narrated the Natya Shastra, many kinds of questions have been arising in our hearts. We have come to you to answers to those.
Do not hesitate.
Gurudev, how did Natya Shastra originate? What is it? Purpose?
You have asked a very good question. This question is not just about drama, but is a medium to understand the essence of life. When in Treta Yuga, man started moving towards adharma and conflict under the influence of lust and greed, then Indra prayed to Brahmaji that there should be a medium in which seeing and hearing can happen simultaneously, so that men can return to the path of dharma, arth and moksha.
But Gurudev, Vedas are the storehouse of knowledge. The secret of the world is hidden in them. Vedas in themselves were sufficient to fulfill this purpose. Then why this new Veda?
So that it is accessible to all people. Through drama, the common people can be taken on the path of education and religion. With this auspicious purpose, Brahmaji has composed Natya Veda by combining the elements of the four Vedas.
The elements of the four Vedas? What are they, Gurudev?
The text you are listening to in the play, Brahmaji has taken it from the Rig Veda. The basis of this beautiful song is Samved. Abhinay has been taken from Yajurved and Ras from Atharva. Natya Shastra has been created by taking parts of all the four Vedas.
Gurudev, so is the drama made only for the gods?
No, the demons had put this question to Brahma. Then Brahmaji had replied that Natya Shastra is for everyone. It shows all the good and bad deeds of gods, demons and humans. Drama is meant to give relief to people suffering from sorrow, fatigue and passion. It includes all the emotions, feelings, crafts and work. There is no such thing, there is no such work which is not seen in the drama.
Amazing! Inclusive of the whole creation, mundane and supernatural, multifaceted art representing the feeling of all creatures.
Yes, Rishis, we can call drama the origin of all arts, or we can call it the confluence of all arts.
Munivar, drama is a wonderful art. It is as important as breathing to stay alive. Then why does our society not take it seriously? Why is art considered unnecessary?
We are artists, not policymakers. Doing art is our religion. Policymakers will have to think about us and our art and provide us with means and opportunities for experimentation. Drama is not just art, it is a mirror of society. It is a means to take humanity on the path of truth. Theatre goes beyond caste, religion and geographical boundaries and talks about humanity in time. Even today, Theatre removes the unequal conditions in society and brings a sense of equality in society. This feeling can undoubtedly turn the land into heaven.
A society without art is a society of animals.
With this hope and expectation that society will give art and artists the place they deserve, I have called Natya Shastra the fifth Veda.
Pancham Veda, known as all the Vedas.
O sages, my sons, the actors are waiting for you with their presentation, ready to welcome you. Come, let's enjoy the play. May this nation prosper and everyone's hopes be fulfilled. May the world of creation and happiness always be full. May the earth always flourish and there be a clear sky above. May the good always remain fearless and the bad people perish.
Danta, 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 danta.